Welcome again to another amazing day. This is an junction box. Junction box, which is a rated IP66, meaning you can blow a water jet here and it can take it. It has an impact resistance and also a 10 years warranty. They say 20 to 10 years warranty. Wow. And inside is simply four terminals. One terminals are common, meaning it is connected on the four slots. You can remove it like that. Same as the switch on the box. This one's just different because it has no switch. And there it goes. The screw. Same as the switch. It has a rubber seal. And it is by what's this again? Masterseal Plus. That's an IP66 by multi-contact electric or MK. Inside is just this one. And it's just simple. Same slot. And I think I can remove the slots by opening here. Yep. This is good for car wash, garage, outdoor installation. And there it goes. You can remove it like that. See? Ooh, doesn't want to go out. Uh-oh, stuck. Anyway, stay there. See, it's just a simple terminals. Okay. Okay, let's put it back. Just pull it in like that. Okay. Don't forget, everything here has a description inside the description box. And you put it like that. Make sure this is the globe directly to the ground. Should have the ground terminal here or here, but no, it's missing. So that's it. They didn't put any ground. So one of these should be ground. No indication that one of it are ground. You can use one ground and three lines. And put it in. Let's check it out. Anyway, this one will definitely, let's check it out. This one will definitely shake. See? It shake violently. But if you put some wirings on it, of course, it may not shake. That's it. Let's close it. Rubber seal. Also a quick pop up, pop out, knockout. Easy to remove and easy to return. Also this one, just to make sure if there's a what do you call this, water goes in or any, if water goes in, you can drain it here. Just drill this so the water will go out. Just put it in. There you are. See? Clean. Good.